Hey everyone, it's Tina Marie. Welcome back to my channel. So today, I'm looking a mess, but you know what? It is what it is. I wanted to do a bun tutorial because I haven't done a bun tutorial in a really long time. I love doing buns. It's like one of my most favorite styles to do, especially when it's really warm outside or, you know, just a really quick and easy protective style. So I just wanted to show you guys an updated one because I've done 2 videos in the past. If you haven't seen them, I'll go ahead and link them above or somewhere in the description box. But let's just get started. So I'm just going to wet my hair with some water to put a little moisture back in it. And I'm going to take some aloe vera gel. I love this gel to hold my hair down and get it in place. You can use whatever gel you like, but this aloe vera gel is literally everything to me. And so next you're just going to want to use your favorite edge control. And if y'all know me, and if y'all been rocking with me sometime, y'all already know I do not play when it comes to this edge control. Like, it's my boo for life. Forever. Forever. And I'm just going to brush this up. I'm not going to do any of my little swoops or anything yet because I just want to make sure that my bun is super laid. And then I'll do all that afterwards. I'm just gonna pull my hair just to make sure that all of this could stay as flat as possible. I don't want any bumps or lumps in there at all. So the difference between my other bun videos is that usually I would just leave my hair in a bun like this, but I'm going to, ooh, hold up. Is it crooked? This thing is crooked. Try to scoot that over. Is that a little better? Okay, hopefully once the bun is on, y'all don't see that. But usually I will leave this part in the bun, but I'm actually just going to braid it up so that it won't be as noticeable because my hair doesn't match the hair of the bun, of the braiding hair that I bought. So I'm just gonna try to conceal this as much as possible. Because y'all don't want to be wearing y'all bun, and you know how sometimes you just see like the middle part and it's your actual hair. You don't want your hair to be showing, then your bun is a completely different color. Like, it's not cute at all. And then I'm just gonna wrap this around and bobby pin it. This way I have much more room because usually when I just had just my hair in a bun, my hair is so thick that it would kind of interfere with the bun. So This is a little bit better. The hair I'm going to use is the Model Jumbo Braid, and this in the color 1B/burgundy. I'm actually going to be using this hair also because I want to do some, I don't know what you call them. They're either like bohemian braids or goddess braids, but the braids with the little goddess ends at the end. So I'm going to be doing that very, very soon. So make sure you stay tuned for that, and make sure you're subscribed already if you haven't, so that you won't miss that video. So I already have a bag open, and I haven't decided if I just want to use one piece or two, but I love my big bun, so I'm probably gonna use two and just put them together. And the rubber bands that's already attached to it, I'm just gonna attach it to my bun, and that's it. Whew. This thing is long, but that's cool with me. Okay, so I'm just wrapping the bigger braid around my bun. I'm putting it underneath that part of the braid, and then I'm bringing it back over the braid, and the tip of that hair is actually going to cover my actual hair bun. And then I'm just going to go ahead and secure that with a bobby pin. Okay, so my edges look crazy right now because I was trying to see what headband I wanted to use, and I still don't know. But any pieces of hair that are out of place like this one, just find somewhere to tuck it in, and then you can use a bobby pin to keep it all together. So this bun is a little more polished than what I usually do because I love big juicy buns. But this one, I really like it. It's nice and clean. Y'all know with neckline hair, you got like all the little flyaways. Okay, so now I'm just gonna add a little bit of edge control to my edges because y'all know how I am. So and I have so many headbands, but I think I want to try this one with the flowers. I got it from Forever 21, only 92 cents, girl. So I could either wear it like this, but I don't think I really like it like that, or I could just wear it like this. I think this looks much better. Okay, y'all, I think I really like this. This is my finished look. All right, so that's basically it. Let me know what you think. Let me know what type of bun hairstyles that y'all love to do. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you all on the next video.